Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I'm so excited about today because my friend Alex is here to help us make what?
Pastelillos.
Okay, Alex, tell everybody how you made it.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your pan and throw in a little bit of olive oil. You want to toss in your sofrito. Then you want to add your ground beef, your seasonings, let those flavors marinate together. Put in some tomato sauce. Then you want to assemble your pastelillos. So you're going to throw a pastelillo disc on top of a little bit of flour on a cutting board. Add in your meat and cheese, close them up, crimp them, fry them, and then you're ready to enjoy.
Oh, and I'm ready to enjoy. But tell everybody why you picked this. Why did you pick a pastelillo?
A pastelillo is a staple dish in our Puerto Rican community, and I think that this is something that makes me think of my community on the west side. And so it's something I grew up eating, and it's something that brings a lot of people together across the city.
It does. And you grew up cooking in the kitchen with your mom.
I sure did.
So talk about that. Tell us about that.
You know,
I'm going to try.
Oh, go ahead. I've been cooking, with my mom since I was a little boy, and I mean, it's something that not only reminds me of my childhood, but it's my connection back to the island. It's my connection back to Puerto Rico, my family, my culture, and it's something that always takes me back to the good old days, and I just love sharing a little bit of my life with the world.
Well, I appreciate you sharing your life with me. Does Mom love your cooking?
She sure does.
That's the question.
Oh, if she doesn't like my cooking, it's because I learned it from her.
We're going to get in trouble for that. But Mom loves your cooking, right?
Yes.
This recipe is fabulous. I'm telling you, friends, you need to try it. Head to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. I promise you won't be disappointed. You have to eat one too.
Perfect.
Oh. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.